Sections and parameters. Sections are used to divide your code into meaningful parts. It will show up in the parameters or properties dialog in your chart as the header of that specific indicator you are coding. So let's go back to AMI Broker. So for this one, if when we right click on the specific chart and select parameters, this one is the section, the MA. These are the parameters. Sections will also show up when you right click on the chart and select on delete indicator. So to add a section to our code, a section starts with this. It starts with section begin and ends with section end. So let's add it here. This is our code for the MVWAP. So let's add a section. Section begin. So this is now our section. When we click on save, you'll notice when we right click on the chart and select parameters, we haven't added any parameters, so the section will not appear. Parameters allow the user to change values in the code without actually going to the formula editor. All they need to do is right click on the chart and select parameters. A dialog box will appear, and if the parameter function is properly coded, the option should appear on it. So these are the parameters. The param function is used for user-definable numeric parameter. In our example, we last used the 200 as a period for the MVWAP. If we want to make this easily adjustable in the charting interface, we'll have to use the param function. This is the syntax. So for our example, we'll use this one. So this is our variable periods, and let's replace the 200 with param period of MVWAP. The default value 200, minimum let's say 1, maximum 100, and step is 1. There. We can make it 1000. Save. The next function is the param color function. The param color function is similar to the param function, but instead of allowing the user to change numerical values, it gives the user the option to change the color. So the syntax is param color name default color. We add the new variable MVWAP color, then assign param color to it. Then replace the color bright green in our plot function with the variable MVWAP color. So param color, let's add first a variable MVWAP color is equal to param color. So color, default color, color bright green. And let's replace this one with MVWAP color, then click on save. So now when we right click on the chart and select parameters, you'll notice that we now have the MVWAP section, the parameter of the MVWAP 200, and the color bright green. Now, if we want to change the settings, all we need to do is just drag and drop, or if we want to change the settings, all we need to do is drag the slider, or we could just enter the value. Same thing goes with the color.